Surface treatment is an integral part of the machine quality. This process has a significant impact on the lifespan of a machine. Galvanization is therefore the best solution available to this date. Its advantage is that zinc penetrates directly into the steel. The protection against corrosion therefore no longer only concerns the surface of the steel, but also the steel itself. A scratch caused by steel or tree branch, for instance, no longer results in the appearance of rust. Since 2010, the JOSKIN Group has its own galvanizing plant at its factory in Poland. It is one of the most ecological and economical currently in use in Europe. It also has some of the largest treatment and galvanization baths. In this way, JOSKIN can galvanize all types of vehicles and machines. Before being plunged into the zinc bath and thus have the typical appearance of a galvanized product, each part must first go through several preparatory stages. First of all, it must be hung on the hoisting beams. This manual work is very important and must be carried out in such a way that air and cleaning acids or galvanizing zinc can escape from the part as quickly as possible during the galvanizing process. Once fixed on the hoisting beam, it is automatically led to an area with acid bath. It includes a total of 13 different baths in which the parts are successively plunged in order to degrease them for an irreproachable quality, cleanse them and prepare them for a better adhesion of the zinc. Handling in this area is fully automatic. For any eventual checking, this room is equipped with a hermetic extracting hood filtering the fumes. After going through a dryer, the hoisting beam arrives in the actual galvanizing room. It includes a galvanizing bath heated at 450 degrees Celsius and measuring 10 meters long by 2.80 meters wide by 3.30 meters deep. This is 92.40 cubic meters in total. It is permanently filled with more than 84 cubic meters of molten zinc, representing more than 600 tons of zinc, for value of around 1.5 million euros. The parts are plunged into this zinc bath for a few minutes. When coming out, qualified workers wearing special protection gear scrape the surface of the bath to remove the galvanization ashes. The hoisting beam then leaves the galvanizing area and brings the parts to a passivity zone, allowing them to be cooled, checked, post-treated and shipped to their destination. The zinc layer applied by this hot dip process must be at least 40 microns according to the standard. Its actual thickness depends on the suction power of the type of steel used and its thickness. For an ideal protection, and thanks to the special high tensile steel types used to manufacture JOSKIN machines, however, this minimum value is always far exceeded and averages around 70 microns.